You are welcome to the family of Baba Packaging, Faridabad, India. You will find this machine after opening your wooden box in dismantled condition as you see in the video CD right now. The main machine is packed separately and there are different parts. Now we are assembling the pillar of the machine. The pillar is put to the main body by tightening 3 hexagonal bolts. Now we will put the reel bracket on the top of the machine. First we will open the 3 bolts which are already provided in the machine. Now we will explain how to adjust the weight by changing the volumetric cups. Earlier the machine was fitted for 5 gram sugar packing. Now we are changing the cups for packing 10 grams and 20 grams sodium bicarbonate and pepper. We are removing the smaller cups which have a smaller dia, and now we will be putting the bigger cup, and since the disc is telescopic in nature, we will lift the disc to accommodate the volume of soda bicarbonate and black pepper. There is a lever provided. You can see the check nut. By rotating the check nut, the disc moves upward. Since the cups are telescopic in nature, the height of the cups is increasing. By setting this check nut, we can adjust the correct volume of the cups since the cups are telescopic in nature. Now we will explain you how to set the machine for a particular weight. Now we are setting the machine for 10 grams. The 10 grams quantity has been weighed on the weighing scale, and this we will put the cups as being sold. उसमें डालना सामने. Now if we see the volume is less, then we can increase the volume slightly by rotating the check nut and adjusting the cup volume. Now the machine is more or less set for 10 grams of black pepper. Now we will explain you the further assembling of the hopper and the trough. There is a stirrer which has a lock nut as well, which tightens the disc firmly, and there are arms in the stirrer. If you increase the angle of the arms, the flow of material into the trough increases. If there is a lot of jamming in the trough, then slightly make the angle less of the stirrer arms, thereby you will not allow much material to come into the trough. This adjustment is totally hit and trial basis. After putting these reel valves into the core of the roll, we will mount it on the reel shaft as shown, and by putting the centering and aligning the reel centrally with the former downneath. This is the threading path of the roll. We are now changing the former for bigger pouch. Earlier it was fitted for 5 grams. Now we are fitting it for 10 grams and 20 grams. There are knobs. There are 4 knobs. By opening these 4 knobs, you can remove the smaller former and replace it by the bigger former. The chute frame has up and down adjustment and sideways adjustment. You can adjust the chute centrally to the bed. The smaller former, removing the former, the smaller former, first by shifting loosening the lock screws of the vertical sealers. Now we have removed the smaller former for 5 gram. Now we are putting the bigger former for 10 grams and 20 grams as being shown. The vertical sealers 4 numbers are properly aligned with the former, keeping the center line of the former to match with the center line of the 2 vertical sealer shafts. There are sideways adjustment slot on the former arms also. Thereby you can shifting the former from the center of the machine to either side for getting a better finish of the pouch. The former on the former frame to adjust with the vertical sealers.